Honda CRF 125F popular 2024 motorcycles. Honda introduces the 2024 CRF 125F, an entry-level off-road motorcycle designed to provide novice riders with a fun and accessible introduction to the world of trail riding. With its user-friendly features, reliable performance, and rugged durability, the CRF 125F offers an exciting and confidence-inspiring riding experience for riders of all ages and skill levels. Novice-friendly design. The CRF 125F is engineered to be approachable and easy to ride, making it an ideal choice for riders who are new to off-road motorcycling. Its low seat height, lightweight construction, and manageable power delivery ensure that even the most inexperienced riders can confidently navigate trails and tackle obstacles with ease. With its electric start and smooth shifting gearbox, the CRF 125F provides a hassle-free and enjoyable riding experience that encourages riders to explore and improve their off-road skills. Reliable performance. Powered by a reliable and efficient 125 cubic centimeters air-cooled engine, the CRF 125F delivers smooth and predictable power for confident off-road performance. Its responsive throttle and smooth shifting transmission allow riders to effortlessly tackle hills, navigate tight turns, and conquer challenging terrain with confidence and control. Additionally, the CRF 125F features a robust suspension and sturdy chassis that provide stability and comfort, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable ride on any trail. Durable construction. Built to withstand the rigors of off-road riding, the CRF 125F features a rugged construction and durable components that can handle the demands of trail riding with ease. Its sturdy frame, protective skid plates, and long travel suspension provide ample protection and durability, allowing riders to push their limits and explore new horizons with confidence. With its proven reliability and quality craftsmanship, the CRF 125F is designed to provide years of trouble-free riding enjoyment for riders and their families. Endorsement from riders and enthusiasts. Already generating excitement among riders and enthusiasts for its accessible design, reliable performance, and durable construction, the Honda CRF 125F receives praise for its role in introducing new riders to the joys of off-road adventure. As riders of all ages embrace the thrill of trail riding with the CRF 125F, Honda reaffirms its commitment to providing accessible and enjoyable motorcycling experiences for riders around the world.